Now this is solution of 10th class maths question paper which has come in March 2023, and this is set number 30/5/2. Here it is MCQ of 1 mark each. Now its first question is 1 minus tan square 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equal to. There are 4 options. You have to find the right one. Now this is the question. Write the value of tan 30 degree, which is 1 by root 3, and after substituting the value, calculate it. You will get 1 by 2, and that is equal to cos 60 degree. So B is the option. Now its second question is, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, AB upon DE is equal to BC upon FD, which of the following makes the two triangles similar? So again there are 4 options. Now I have made these two triangles. Here AB upon DE is equal to BC upon this line. So which angle should be equal? So angle B should be equal to angle D. So B is the option. Now third question is, the 13th term from the end of the AP 2013 6 minus 1 up to minus 148 is, there are again 4 options. Now write in the reverse order, minus 148, minus 141, minus 134 up to 20. Write the 13th term from the beginning now. Now A here is minus 148, D is equal to 7, and A 13, A plus 12D. Just substitute the values, you will get minus 64. It means D is the option. Now its fourth question is, 2 dice are rolled together. What is the probability of getting sum greater than 10? Again there are 4 options. Now in a sample space there are 36 elements. So getting a sum greater than 10. Probability of getting a sum greater than 10 is 3 upon 36, that is 1 by 12. So C is the option. Now the fifth question is, in the figure AB and BC are 10 centimeter. If AC is 7 centimeter, then the length of BP is. Again there are 4 options. You have to find the right one. Now this figure is given to you. You have to find the length of this BP. So take this as X. If this is X, then this is X. This length AB is given 10 centimeter. So BC is again given, that is 10 centimeter. So PA is 10 minus X. QC is 10 minus X. And if this is 10 minus X, then this is 10 minus X. If this is 10 minus X, then this is 10 minus X. So start with AC, which is 7 centimeter, which is given to us. Now AC is 7 centimeter. It means AR plus RC is 7 centimeter. AR is 10 minus X plus 10 minus X is 7 centimeter. Calculate it. You will get X 13 by 2, which is equal to 6.5 centimeter. So C is the option. Now sixth question is, water in a river which is 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at a rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in 2 minutes? So there are 4 options. Now length of the river is 2000 meter. 2 km per hour. ये जो आपका रेट दिया जाता है, this is the length of the river, which is 2 into 1000. I have written it in meter. So length of the river is 2000 meter. Breadth is 40 meter. Height is 3 meter. So everything is in meter. Find the volume, which will come out to be 2,40,000. Now this is the volume. Now in 60 minutes, waterfall in sea is this much. In 1 minute, waterfall in sea is 2,40,000 upon 60. We have to find in 2 minutes how much waterfall in sea. That will come out to be 8,000 meter cube. So C is the option. Now 7th question. If the mean and the median of a data are 12 and 15 respectively, then the mode is, again there are 4 options. You have mean, which is 12, you have median, which is 15. Write the formula, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Substitute the values, you will get 21. So B is the answer. Now 8th question. In a given figure, AB is a tangent to the circle centered at O. If OA is 6 cm and OAB is 30 degree, then the radius of the circle is, there are 4 options. You have to find the correct one. Now this figure is given to us. Now here this is OB is radius and BA is tangent and OA is hypotenuse. Why OA is hypotenuse? Because radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So this angle is 90 degree. Now OA is given 6 centimeter. I am to find this radius. It means I am to find this P. Apply perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to P upon H is equal to sin 30 degree. P by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. It means P is equal to 3 centimeter. So radius is 3 centimeter. So A is the option. Now this is question number 9. In the given figure, AC and AB are tangent to a circle centered at O. If angle COD is 120 degree, then angle BAO is equal to, there are 4 options. This figure is given to us. Now here, this angle is 120 degree. If this angle is 120 degree, it means angle 1 is 60 degree because angle on a straight line is 180 degree. So angle 2 is 90 degree. OC is radius, AC is tangent, radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So angle 2 is 90 degree. I can find the third angle. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So I can find the third angle. And since angle 3 is equal to BAO, so if this angle come out to be 30 degree, because if I calculate this, it will be 30 degree. So this angle is also 30 degree. So which is the option? A is the option. I have written all this here. So you can check it. So pause my video and you can check the answer. Now the 10th question is, which of the following numbers cannot be the probability of happening of an event? Now probability of an event lies between 0 and 1. It can be 0, it can be 1, and otherwise it is less than 1. So here A is 0, so this is possible. This is 0.07, this is less than 1, so this can be the probability. This can be the probability. Only this is the number which cannot be the probability. So B is the option, 7 upon 0.01, that is the answer because this is greater than 1. So this cannot be the probability of happening of an event. Now the 11th question is, if every term of the statistical data consisting of n terms is decreased by 2, then the mean of the data is, there are 4 options. One is decreased by 2, the second is remains unchanged, C is decreased by 2 and D is decreased by 1. Let x1, x2, x3 up to xn are the n terms. Its mean is given, x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn upon n. I have detected 2 from each term. So that is x1 minus 2, x2 minus 2, x3 minus 2 up to xn minus 2. Now find the mean of these terms. Now mean is equal to mean x1 minus 2 plus x2 minus 2 plus x3 minus 2 up to xn minus 2 upon n. Now this thing can be written as x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn minus 2 minus 2 minus 2, that comes for n times. So this is equal to minus 2n. So this is equal to x1 plus x2 up to xn upon n minus 2n by n. So this is equal to x bar minus 2. So this is mean of n terms. So this is equal to x bar minus 2. So mean of the data is decreased by 2. So A is the option. Now 12th question is, in the given figure, D is parallel to BC, the value of x. Now this figure is given to us. We are to find the value of this x. Now there are 4 options. And now here DE is parallel to BC. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. अब आप ADE और ABC को similar prove कर लोगे. Angle 1 is equal to 2, angle A is equal to angle A. So both the triangles are similar. उनकी sides proportion में लिख दोगे. Now in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, both the triangles are similar. So sides are proportion. So substitute the values. AD is 2, AB is 2 plus 3 is equal to 4 upon x. Cross multiply it, you will get value of x is 10. So D is the option. Now 13th question is, a quadratic equation whose roots are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3 is, there are 4 options. Now roots are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. So let this be alpha and let this be beta. So write sum of the roots, that will come out to be 4. Write product of the roots, which will come out to be 1. So alpha beta is equal to 1. So quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Substitute the values, you will get x square minus 4x plus 1, which is equal to 0. So A is the option. Now the 14th question is, if tan theta is equal to 5 by 12, then the value of sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta minus cos theta is, again there are 4 options. Now sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta minus cos theta, divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. You will get tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta minus 1. Substitute the value of tan theta. After substituting the value, you will get minus 17 by 7. So A is the option. Now the 15th question is, if end points of a diameter of a circle are minus 5 and 4 and 1 and 0, then the radius of the circle is. Now these are the end points of a diameter. AB is the diameter, these are the end points of this, and O is the center. Now I am to find the radius. It means first let me find the length of AB. So I'll write distance formula. Half of it will come out to be the radius of this circle. So write the distance formula, that is equal to 2 root 13. So diameter is equal to 2 root 13. So radius is equal to 2 root 13 upon 2, that is equal to root 13. So B is the option. Now 16th question, the number of polynomials having zeros minus 1 and 2 is exactly 2, only 1, at most 2, infinite. Now minus 1 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. So let alpha is minus 1, beta is 2. We know alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, then the polynomial is equal to k times x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Now substitute the values. You will have k x square minus x minus 2. K can take any value. इस k की कुछ भी value हो सकती है. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can take any value. So there are infinite number of polynomials. So D is the option. Now 17th question, the pair of equations ax plus 2y is equal to 9 and 3x plus by is equal to 18 represent parallel lines where a, b are integers. If there are 4 options, a is equal to b, 3a is equal to 2b, 2a is equal to 3b, and ab is equal to 6. Now ax plus 2y is equal to 9, 3x plus by is equal to 18. This represent parallel lines, and we know if a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2 represent parallel lines, then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Substitute the values. Now a by 3 is equal to 2 by b. Cross multiply it, you will get ab is equal to 6. So D is the option. Now 18th question, the common difference of the AP whose nth term is given by an is equal to 5n minus 7 is, there are 4 options. Now an is equal to 5n minus 7, a1 is minus 2, a2 is 3, a3 is 8. So AP is minus 2, 3 and 8. The common difference is 3 minus minus 2, that will come out to be 5. So C is the option. Now question 19 and question 20 are assertion and reason based questions carrying 1 mark each. A. Both assertion A and reason R are true and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. B. Both assertion A and reason R are true and reason R is not the correct explanation of assertion A. C. Assertion A is true but reason R is false. D. Assertion A is false but reason R is true. Now the 19th question is assertion A, the number 5 raised to power n cannot end with the digit 0 where n is a natural number. Its reason are, prime factorization of 5 has only 2 factors, 1 and 5. Now assertion A is true because 5 raised to power n cannot end with the digit 0. If I take n as 1, it is 5. If I take n as 2, it is 25. If I take n as 3, it is 125. So this won't end with 0 where n is a natural number. So this is a true statement. Reason are, prime factorization of 5 has only 2 factors, 1 and 5. Now see here, this is a wrong statement. This is a false statement because what is the definition of a prime number? Prime number की जो definition होती है, they have two factors, the number 1 and the number itself. Prime factors of 5 are only 5. अगर हम पूछे ना कि 5 का प्राइम फैक्टर क्या है, सो दैट इज 5 ओनली. प्राइम नंबर्स की जो डेफिनेशन है उसको और प्राइम फैक्टर्स को कंफ्यूज मत करना. सो दिस इज ए रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ 5 is 5 only. So this is a wrong statement. So assertion A is true, reason R is false, and C is the option. Now this is 20th question. Assertion A. If the points A 4 3 and B x 5 lie on the circle with center O 2 3, then the value of x is 2. Reason. Center of a circle is the midpoint of each chord of the circle. Now this is a false statement. So reason is a false statement. Now let's come to the assertion A. Now these 2 points are on the circle. This is the center. And if these 2 points are on the circle and this is the center, I have made this picture here. So suppose A is here, B is here. This point is 4 3, this point is x 5. This is the center. This is the radius, this is the radius. It means OA is equal to OB. So OA is equal to OB, OA square is equal to OB square. So apply distance formula. So I have applied distance formula here. I'll get x minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. It means x is equal to 2. It means assertion A is true and reason R is false. So what is the option? That is C is the option for this question also. Now this is section B. This section comprises very short answers type questions of 2 marks each. 21st question. Using prime factorization, find HCF and LCM of 96 and 120. Now we are to use prime factorization. So 96 के अगर factors बनाते हो, prime factors बनाते हो, तो that will come out to be 2 raised to power 5 into 3. 120 is equal to 2 raised to power 3 into 3 into 5. So HCF is equal to 2 raised to power 3 into 3, that is 24. And LCM is equal to 2 raised to power 5 into 3 into 5. That will come out to be 480. Now 22nd question. Find the ratio in which line y is equal to x divides the line segment joining the points 6 minus 3 and 1 6. Now this point is 6 minus 3 and this point B is 1 6 and this is point P. P divides this line segment in the ratio P ratio 1 and this is line y is equal to x. So this line divides. Now let this point is A, which is 6 minus 3. Let this point is B, which is 1 and 6. This is a line y is equal to x. This divides this line segment in the ratio lambda into 1. First we will find the value of x and y and that point lie on this line. There we will find the value of lambda. So x will come out to be lambda plus 6 upon lambda plus 1 and y will come out to be 6 lambda minus 3 upon lambda plus 1. And this point lambda plus 6 upon lambda plus 1, 6 lambda minus 3 upon lambda plus 1 lie on this line y is equal to x. So y is equal to x, substitute the values and here you will get the value of lambda 9 by 5. So ratio is 9 ratio 5. Now 23rd question A part. If A cos theta plus B sin theta is m and n sin theta minus B cos theta is n, then prove that A square plus B square is equal to m square plus n square. First, what you are going to do? Squaring both sides of this and then squaring both sides of this. Then add these two and you will get the result. So here A cos theta plus B sin theta is m. Squaring both sides, you will get A cos theta plus B sin theta whole square is equal to m square. Write the identity. A square cos square theta plus B square sin square theta plus 2AB sin theta cos theta is equal to m square. Now take A sin theta minus B cos theta n. A sin theta minus B cos theta whole square is equal to n square. Write the identity. You will get A square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta minus 2AB sin theta cos theta is equal to n square. Now this is first, this is second. Add these two. After adding, you will see this and this is cancelled. So here you combine this with this and this with this. So you will have a square, in the bracket you will have cos square theta plus sin square theta, plus b square, in the bracket you will have sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is equal to m square plus n square. Now this is 1, so you will have a square into 1 plus b square into 1 is equal to m square plus n square. So that is the result. A square plus b square is equal to m square plus n square. This is what you want to prove. Now question number 23, B part. Prove that root sec a minus 1 upon sec a plus 1 plus root sec a plus 1 upon sec a minus 1 is equal to 2 cosec a. First I have changed sec a into 1 by cos a. So here I have changed this. Then इसका एलसीएम ले लो, इसका एलसीएम ले लो, इसका एलसीएम ले लो, इसका एलसीएम ले लो और उसको सॉल्व कर दो. सॉल्व करने के बाद आपके पास ये आ जाएगा 1 माइनस कॉज ए अपॉन 1 प्लस कॉज ए प्लस रूट 1 माइनस कॉज ए अपॉन 1 प्लस कॉज ए प्लस रूट 1 प्लस कॉज ए अपॉन 1 माइनस कॉज ए. नाउ इसको रैशनलाइज करो, इसको रैशनलाइज करो. रैशनलाइज करने के बाद आपके पास आ जाएगा रूट 1 माइनस कॉज ए होल स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर ए प्लस रूट 1 प्लस कॉज ए होल स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर ए. देन रूट और ये स्क्वायर कैंसिल होने पर आपके पास आ जाएगा 1 माइनस कॉज ए एंड 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर ए इज साइन स्क्वायर ए. उसका रूट लगेगा तो यू विल हैव साइन ए प्लस 1 प्लस कॉज ए अपॉन साइन ए. Now take the LCM sin a. You will have 1 minus cos a plus 1 plus cos a. Cos a cancel. You will have 2 upon sin a, that is equal to 2 cosec a. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. You have proved that. Now question number 24a. The line segment joining the points A 4 minus 5 and B 4 5 is divided by the point B such that AP ratio AB is 2:5. Find the coordinates of P. Now this is AB line segment. Let this point is P. Coordinates of P are X and Y. Coordinates of A are 4 minus 5 and B 4 5. And this point divides the line AB in the ratio 2:3. Now AP and AB, its ratio is given 2:5. So AP and PB is 2:3. And मैंने इसको यहाँ सॉल्व करके बताया कि आपका ये 2:3 कैसे आया. हमको P के कोऑर्डिनेट्स बताने हैं. नाउ AP ratio AB is 2:5. AP upon AB is equal to 2/5. AB can be written as AP plus PB is equal to 2/5. Cross multiply it, you will have 5AP is equal to 2AP plus 2PB. So take AP on one side and PB on another side. So 5AP minus 2AP is equal to 2PB. 3AP is equal to 2PB. So AP upon PB is equal to 2/3. So AP ratio PB is 2:3. Now find the coordinates of X, find the coordinates of Y. So you know how to find the coordinates of X and Y. You all know about it. That will come out to be 4 minus 1. So the answer is the coordinates of P are 4 minus 1. Now this question is 24b. Point PXY is equidistant from the point A 5 1 and B 1 5. Prove that X is equal to Y. Now coordinates of P are XY, coordinates of A are 5 1. Coordinates of P are XY, coordinates of B are 1 5. So PA is equal to PB. That is given to us. So write the distance formula for PA, write the distance formula for PB. You can write this. And if you keep on solving this, you will get the answer, you will get the result X is equal to Y. This is what you want to prove. Now this is question number 25. In the given figure, PQ is a chord of a circle centered at O. PT is a tangent to a circle at P. If QPT is 55 degree, then find PRQ. Now QPT is given 55 degree. I am to find PRQ. I am to find this angle. Now this angle is 55 degree and OP is radius to this tangent, and so this whole angle OPT is 90 degree. If OPT is 90 degree, you can find OPQ. So 90 minus 55, this angle will come out to be 35. if this angle is 35, then this angle is 35, because this is the radius, this is the radius. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So this is 35 and this is 35. If you have these two angles, you can find this angle. This is sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If you subtract 180 minus 70, it will come out to be 110. If this angle is 110, then angle 2, this is angle 2, this angle will be 250. 360 minus 110, this is 250. And this angle is half of this angle. The angle, we know that angle subtended by this arc at the center is double the angle subtended by this arc on the remaining part of the circle, which is here. So if this angle is 250, then this angle is 125. I have explained this here, and this is what I have written here, and I think you can do it now. So it will come out to be 125 degree. There is one more method. अगर आप यहाँ पर एक पॉइंट लेके इसको और इसको ज्वाइन कर लोगे, तब भी ये सम आ जाता है, क्योंकि then angle in the alternate segment are equal. If this is 55, then this is 55. This becomes a cyclic quadrilateral. Then we know sum of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So if this is 55, then 180 minus 55, this is 125. So वो आपका दो लाइनों में सम हो जाता है. So that is also correct. Now this is section C. This section comprises short answer type questions of 3 marks each. 26th question is find the mean of the following distribution. Classes are given, frequency is given. You are to find mean, and I think you all know how to find the mean. So मैंने यहाँ पर डायरेक्ट मेथड लगाया है, तो आप इसका में स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड भी लगा सकते हो, डायरेक्ट भी लगा सकते हो. तो मैंने डायरेक्ट मेथड से इसका आंसर फाइंड किया, दैट इज 41.1. आपका अगर स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड से भी ये आंसर आ रहा है, देन इट इज correct. So you can pause my video, you can check it yourself. Now 27th question. A 2-digit number is 7 times the sum of its digits. The number formatted by reversing the digit is 18 less than the given number. Find the given number. Let in the given number unit place is x, tens place is y. So number becomes 10y plus x. Now according to question, so the question says the 2-digit number is 7 times the sum of its digits. It means this number is equal to 7 times sum of these 2 digits. So this is the equation. When you solve this, you will get minus 6y plus 3y is equal to 0. Divide by minus 3, you will get 2x minus y is equal to 0. Now reverse the digits. Now unit place is y, tens place is x. So number becomes 10x plus y. So according to the question, it says the number formed by reversing the digit is 18 less than the given number. Now रिवर्स करने के बाद जो नंबर बनता है वो 18 लेस देन द गिवन नंबर. गिवन नंबर इज 10y प्लस x. सो उससे वो 18 कम है. सो इट मीन्स 10x प्लस y इज इक्वल टू 10y प्लस x माइनस 18. Now solve the equation. You will get x minus y is equal to minus 2. So we have two equations. 2x minus y is equal to 0 and the second one is x minus y is equal to minus 2. So मैंने substitution method लगाया है. उस method से मेरे पास आप कोई भी मेथड लगा सकते हो, एलिमिनेशन भी लगा सकते हो, सब्सटीट्यूशन भी लगा सकते हो. तो मेरे पास आ जाता है x इज इक्वल टू 2 एंड y इज इक्वल टू 4 एंड सब्सटीट्यूट दिस वैल्यू इन 10y प्लस x. सो योर नंबर बिकम्स 42. So that is the number. That is the answer. Now question 28. Prove that tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta and cosec theta. Now change tan theta into sin theta by cos theta. So I have changed this here. यहाँ पर मैंने इन दोनों का LCM लेके इनको solve कर दिया. And after that this can be written as sin theta by cos theta into sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta plus cos theta by sin theta into cos theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Now this is cos theta minus sin theta, this is sin theta minus cos theta. Take minus common here, you will have sin theta minus cos theta here. Now you have sin theta minus cos theta here. So take the LCM. Now this is the LCM, you will have sin cube theta minus cos cube theta here. Write the formula a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. This can be written as a square plus AB plus B square. This can be written as A square plus AB plus B square. So I have written it like this because then this becomes 1. So on the and this is cancelled. On the next page I have solved this. Now this is 1 plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. This can be written as 1 upon sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. So this is equal to sec theta plus 1. So that is the result you want. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now 29 question A part. Prove that root 3 is an irrational number. Let us assume root 3 is a rational number. If this is a rational number, this can be written as P by Q, where P and Q are co-prime, and co-prime means HCF of PQ is 1 and Q is not equal to 0. So squaring both sides, you will have 3 is equal to P square by Q square. Cross multiply, you will get 3Q square is equal to P square. It means 3Q square is equal to P square. It means 3 divides P square. It implies 3 divides P. So if 3 divides P, then P can be written as 3R, where R is an integer. Squaring both sides, P square is equal to 9R square. Instead of P square, write 3Q square. So P square की जगह मैंने क्या लिख दिया, 3Q square is equal to 9R square. Divide by 3, you will get Q square is equal to 3R square. It means 3 divides Q square. It means 3 divides Q. So what we have seen, 3 divides P, 3 divides Q. It means PQ have at least 3 as a common factor. So one of the common factor is 3. So we know HCF of PQ is 1. Our assumption is wrong, and root 3 is an irrational number. It's not a rational number. Now 29th question. The traffic lights of 3 different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 AM, what time will they change together next? इन सम के अंदर हम एलसीएम लेंगे 48, 72 और 108 का. तो आपने एलसीएम लिया, मैंने प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से इनका एलसीएम निकाला, विच विल कम आउट टू बी 432. So its LCM is 432. So they will change together after 432 seconds. It means seconds के अगर आप hours बनाते हो तो it means after 0.12 hours they will change together. If it is 7 AM at this moment, then it will change together at 7:12 AM. Now 30th question. In an AP, the sum of first n terms is given by Sn is equal to 6n minus n square. Find the 30th term. Now an, we know that this is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. This is a formula. I think you all have learned about it. Now Sn is 6n minus n square, S1 is 5, S2 is 8, S3 is 9, and A1 is equal to, now A1 is equal to S1, which is equal to 5, A2 is S2 minus S1, that is 8 minus 5, which is 3, A3 is S3 minus S2, which is 9 minus 8, which is 1, so on. So our AP becomes 5, 3, 1 onward. Now here, so our AP is 5, 3, 1 onward. We are to find the 30th term. Now A is 5, D is equal to minus 2. Since we are to find the 30th term, so A 30, that is equal to A plus 20, 90. Substitute the values, you will get minus 53. So that is the answer. Now this is question number 31A. In a given figure, CD is perpendicular bisector of AB. EF is perpendicular to CD. AE intersects CD at G. Prove that CF upon CD is equal to FG upon DG. हमने ये चीज़ prove करनी है, and this figure is given to us. Now here, according to this figure, CD is perpendicular bisector of AB. This CD is perpendicular on this line, and it bisects this line. It means BD is equal to DA. Second, EF is perpendicular to CD. This EF is perpendicular on this CD. And we are to prove this. In order to prove this, first what we are going to do, ECF और BCD को, इस ट्राइंगल को और इस ट्राइंगल को, दोनों को सिमिलर प्रूव करेंगे. सिमिलरिटी आपको प्रूव करनी आती है, दैट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट. दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस एंगल कॉमन, एंड दिस एंगल EFC is equal to BDC. So both are 90 degree. So by AA criteria, these two triangles are similar. तो आप इनकी sides proportional में लिख दोगे. एंड साइड्स प्रोपोर्शन में लिखने के बाद हम लोग कौन सा ट्राइंगल्स लेने लगे, दिस वन एंड दिस वन. Now here these two angles are vertically opposite angle, they are equal, and EFG and ADG both are 90 degree. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So by AA criteria both these triangles are similar. और इसमें भी हम इनकी साइड्स प्रोपोर्शनल में लिख देंगे. और प्रोपोर्शनल में लिखने के बाद हम AD की जगह क्या यूज़ करने वाले हैं, BD, बिकॉज दीज टू साइड्स आर इक्वल. जब साइड्स प्रोपोर्शनल लिखेंगे तो हम AD की जगह BD यूज़ करेंगे. और फिर हम दोनों की साइड जो प्रोपोर्शनल लिखी हैं उनसे हमारा रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. सो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इट हियर नाउ. Now in triangle ECF and triangle BCD, angle 3 is equal to angle 3, EFC is equal to angle BDC, both 90 degree. So triangle ECF is similar to triangle BCD. So sides are proportional. CF upon CD is equal to EF upon BD. So this is our first case. Afterwards in triangle EFG and triangle ADG, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, vertically opposite angle, and EFG is equal to ADG, both 90 degree. So both these triangles are similar. Now triangle EFG is similar to triangle ADG. So sides proportional में हो गई. हमारे पास यहाँ पर AD है, AD की जगह हमने क्या लिख दिया, BD, and this here I have written this. So from 1 I have this, from 2 I have this, and now look here. Now here it is CF upon CD is equal to EF upon BD. Here EF upon BD is equal to FG upon DG. From 3 and 4, what we have, CF upon CD is equal to FG upon DG. So that is the result we want. This is question number 31B. In a given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. BE bisects CD at M and intersect AC at L. Prove that EL is equal to 2BL. Now this is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, and EB, or you can say BE, bisect CD. That shows this DM is equal to MC. Now we are to prove this. For that, first we will prove this triangle and this triangle, they are congruent. How they are congruent? This line is equal to this line. This is given to us. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, vertically opposite angle. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Alternate angles are equal. So by AAS we will have these two triangles congruent. And then CPCT में आपके पास आ जाएगा ED is equal to BC. And after that we will prove ELA and BLC, they are similar triangles. And after proving similar triangles, their sides are proportional. And when their sides are proportional, and we will be able to prove EL is equal to 2BL. This is what I am going to do here. Now see here. So here ABCD is a parallelogram. BE bisects CD. It means DM is equal to MC. So in triangle DEM and triangle CBM, angle 1 is equal to 2, angle 3 is equal to 4, DM is equal to MC. So both these triangles are congruent. So CPCT में आपके पास आ जाएगा D is equal to BC. Now in triangle ELA and triangle BLC, angle 3 is equal to 4, angle 5 is equal to 6. So triangle ELA is similar to triangle BLC. So sides proportion. So sides are in proportion. So EL upon BL, LA upon LC, and EA upon BC. So sides are proportional. Now take EL upon BL as is equal to EA upon BC. इसको ले लो. Instead of EA, this can be written as ED plus DA upon BC. And ED is equal to BC, DA is equal to BC. Since DE is equal to BC, already proved, and AD is equal to BC, opposite sides of a parallelogram. I have written here the reason why I have written ED is equal to BC and why I have written DA is equal to BC. Now this is equal to, now EL upon BL is equal to 2 times BC upon BC. BC is cancelled. So EL upon BL is equal to 2. So cross multiply, you will have EL is equal to 2 times BL. Here I have proved. This is what we want to prove. Now Question number 32, A part. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm, such that the segments BD and DC are of 10 cm and 8 cm respectively. Find the lengths of the sides AB and AC if it is given that area of triangle ABC is 90 square centimeter. Now, what is given? Now, this figure is given to us. Here, this circle is of radius 4 centimeter. And this BD is 10 centimeter, DC is 8 centimeter. Now these are two tangents which are drawn from this point to this circle. So length of these two tangents are same. If this is 10, then this is 10. If this is 8, then this is 8. If I take AF as x, then AE is x centimeter. So length of AB is 10 plus x, length of AC is 8 plus x centimeter. Now I have this figure now. Now join this BO, OC and OA, and this radius is 4 centimeter, this radius is 4 centimeter and this radius is 4 centimeter. Now what we have OBC, a triangle, and AOC is second triangle and AOB is third triangle. So we have three triangles and we know area of a triangle is half into base into height. Now add the area of these three triangles and that is equal to 90 square centimeter, and there I'll find the value of x. So whatever I have said here, I'm going to write it here. So जो भी मैंने यहाँ पर अभी आपको बताया है, verbally बताया है, वो मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिया है. तो AB here 10 plus x centimeter, AC is 8 plus x centimeter and BC is 18 centimeter. So this is we have. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle OBC plus area of triangle AOC plus area of triangle AOB. Now we know area of a triangle is half into base into height. So 90 is equal to 1 by 2 half into base into height. So half into 18 into 4 plus half into 8 plus x into 4 plus half into 10 plus x into 4. Just cut the numbers. You will have 90 is equal to 36 plus 16 plus 2x plus 20 plus 2x. You will find the value of x which is equal to 4.5. So length of AB is equal to 10 plus x, that is 10 plus 4.5, that is 14.5 centimeter. Length of AC is equal to 8 plus x, that is 8 plus 4.5, that is 12.5 centimeter. So that is the answer. Now this is the B part of question 32. Two circles with center O and O dash of radius 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter respectively intersect at 2 points P and Q, such that OP and O dash P are tangent to the two circles. Find the length of the common chord PQ. Now these are two circles which intersect each other. Now OP is the radius of this circle and O dash P is the radius of this circle. OP is tangent to this circle and O dash P is tangent to this circle. So radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So this angle is 90 degree. If this angle is 90 degree, it means OO dash is an hypotenuse. If the radius is 6 centimeter, this radius is 8 centimeter and this is 90 degree. By Pythagoras, I'll be finding the length of this OO dash. That will come out to be 10 centimeter. If I have taken this length as x centimeter, then this length is 10 minus x centimeter. I have taken PB as y centimeter. So ultimately I am to find the length of PQ, which is the common chord. If I find this length y, then double of this length will be the length of this chord, because perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. So first I will find this length and then I will double this length and that will be the length of this chord. Now जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया वही मैं आपको यहाँ पर लिख के बताने वाली हूँ. OP is perpendicular to O dash P. By Pythagoras, OO dash will come out to be 10 centimeter. Now let OB is x centimeter. Then O dash B is equal to 10 minus x centimeter. So let PB is y. Now PB is perpendicular to OO dash. In right angle triangle OBP, OP square is equal to OB square plus PB square. So 6 square is equal to x square plus y square, that is 36 minus x square is equal to y square. In right angle triangle O dash PB, so O dash P square is equal to O dash B square is plus PB square. So 8 square is equal to 10 minus x whole square plus y square. So 64 is equal to 100 plus x square minus 20x plus y square. Find the value of y square. That will be equal to 64 minus 100 minus x square plus 20x is equal to y square. It means minus 36 minus x square plus 20x is equal to y square. Now I have the value of y square here. I have the value of y square here. Equate 1 and 2. And after equating 1 and 2, what we will get? After equating this, we will get the value of x, which is equal to 3.6 centimeter. Now y square is equal to 36 minus x square. I am to find the value of y. So instead of x, write 3.6. So this will be equal to 3.6 whole square. That is equal to 36 minus 12.96. That is equal to 23.04. So value of y is equal to, if I take the root of this, it will come out to be 4.8 centimeter. So PQ, the length of the common chord is, that is equal to 2y is equal to 2 into 4.8 centimeter. That is equal to 9.6 centimeter. So that is the answer. Question number 33. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square-shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. Find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. Also find the increased in grazing area if the length of the rope is increased to 10 meter. Pi is equal to 3.14. Now this is a square field. A horse is tied at one corner of this field, and that horse is tied with a 5 meter long rope. So he can graze this much area. PAQ. So this is a sector. He can graze this much area. We have to find the area of this sector. If the length of the rope is increased to 10 meter, it means if length of the rope is this much, he can graze this much area, RAS. So we have to find this increased area. It means we have to find increase in grazing area. So first I am going to find this area. Then I am going to find this area. Then I'll subtract this area from this area and we will get this area. Then we will subtract area of the sector APQ from the area of the sector ARS. Then we will get the required result, which is the area of this portion. हम लोग यहाँ पर क्या area लगाएंगे? Area of the sector theta by 360 into pi r square. Radius is 5 meter. So area where horse can graze, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. So this will come out to be 157 upon 8, that is 19.6 meter square. Now if radius is 10 meter, then area where horse can graze is 90 by 360 into pi r square. Here r is 10 into 10. So this will come out to be 157 upon 2, that is 78.5 meter square. So increase in grazing area is 78.5 minus 19.6, that is equal to 58.9 meter square. So that is the answer. Now 34th question is, the angle of elevation of the top of a vertical tower from a point P on the ground is 60 degree. From another point Q 10 meter vertically above the first point P, its angle of elevation is 30 degree. Find A, the height of the tower, B, the distance of the point P from the foot of the tower, C, the distance of the point P from the top of the tower. First we will make the figure. This is the tower, AC is a tower, let its height is h meter, and P is the point on the ground, and angle of elevation from this point A to the P is 60 degree. Now Q is a point which is 10 meter above the first point, which is P. So this length is 10 meter, and angle of elevation from this point to this point is 30 degree. So I am to find three answers. First is the height of the tower. The second is, it means we have to find h. Second, the distance of the point P from the foot of the tower. It means we have to find this value x. Third is the distance of the point P from the top of the tower. Distance of the point P from the top of the tower. It means I am to find this AP. So we have to find three answers. Now see here. First I'll discuss this triangle ACP because this is 90 degree. So I'll discuss this triangle ACP. So it means perpendicular upon base is equal to tan 60 degree. So h upon x is equal to tan 60 degree. Then I'll discuss this triangle ADQ. It means again h minus 10 upon x is equal to tan 30 degree. Now see, if this is x, then this is x. This whole is h. It means this is 10 meter, and this portion is h minus 10 meter. I have this perpendicular, I have this base, and this upon this is equal to tan 30 degree. So I have two equations, and from these two equations I am going to find the value of h, a value of x, and then the distance AP. So verbally I have explained it, and on the next page I'll write this and you can check your answer. Now in triangle APC, h by x is equal to tan 60 degree, h by x is equal to root 3. It means h by root 3 is equal to x. मैंने यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू निकाल ली. In triangle AQD, h minus 10 upon x is equal to tan 30 degree, h minus 10 upon x is equal to 1 by root 3. Cross multiply it. I'll get root 3 h minus 10 is equal to x. Instead of x, write h by root 3. Cross multiply it. You will get 3 h minus 10 is equal to h. 3h minus 30 is equal to h. Find the value of h, which will come out to be 15 centimeter. So height is equal to 15 centimeter. So that is the first answer. The second answer, B, we have to find the value of x. So x is equal to h by root 3. Substitute the value of h, which is 15 by root 3. Rationalize it. You will get 5 root 3. Now third is C part. We have to find AP. So h by AP is equal to sine 60 degree. So h here is 15 upon AP is equal to root 3 by 2. And here we will get the value of AP, which is 30 by root 3. Rationalize it. You will get 10 root 3. So that is the answer. So यहाँ पर मैंने तीनों के आंसर दे दिए, आप चेक कर सकते हो. Now this is question number 35A part. A train travels at a certain average speed for a distance of 54 km and then travels a distance of 63 km at an average speed of 6 km per hour, more than the first speed. If it takes 3 hours to complete the journey, what was its first average speed? Now let me read it again. A train travels at a certain average speed for a distance of 54 km. एक ट्रेन एवरेज स्पीड से 54 किलोमीटर चलती है एंड देन ट्रेवल्स ए डिस्टेंस ऑफ 63 किलोमीटर एट एन एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ 6 किलोमीटर पर आवर, मोर देन द फर्स्ट स्पीड. पहली स्पीड से 6 किलोमीटर अगर वो इंक्रीज कर लेती है तो वो कितना डिस्टेंस चलती है? 63 किलोमीटर. इफ़ इट टेक्स 3 आवर्स टू कंप्लीट द जर्नी, पूरी जर्नी कंप्लीट करने के लिए उसको 3 आवर्स लगते हैं. व्हाट वाज इट्स फर्स्ट एवरेज स्पीड? सो लेट द फर्स्ट एवरेज स्पीड इज x किलोमीटर पर आवर. इसका मतलब वो 54 किलोमीटर x किलोमीटर पर आवर से चलती है, तो कितना टाइम लगा? 54 बाई x. अगर वो अपनी स्पीड बढ़ा लेती है, इसका मतलब स्पीड उसने कर ली x प्लस 6 किलोमीटर, तो उसको कितना डिस्टेंस उसने कवर किया इस स्पीड से? 63 किलोमीटर. इट मीन्स टाइम इज 63 अपॉन x प्लस 6. दोनों टाइम मिला के कितना टाइम बना? 3. सो दैट इज द इक्वेशन. Now I have written it here. Let the first average speed of the train is x kilometer per hour. Distance covered is 54 kilometer. So time taken is 54 by x. So time is 54 by x hours. And now increased speed is 6 kilometer per hour. So now speed of the train is x plus 6 kilometer per hour. Now distance covered is 63 kilometer. Time taken is 63 upon x plus 6. Now it is given that train takes 3 hours to complete the journey. It means 54 by x plus 63 by x plus 6 is equal to 3. According to the question, this is the equation. Now here we will solve this equation. We will get the value of x. 54 by x plus 63 by x plus 6 is equal to 3. Now LCM is x plus 6. You will have 54 x plus 6 plus 63x is equal to 3. Cross multiply it. you will get this quadratic equation, which is 3x square minus 99x minus 324 is equal to 0. Divide by 3. You will get x square minus 33x minus 108 is equal to 0. Split the middle term. You will get x square minus 36x plus 3x minus 108 is equal to 0. So x common, x minus 36 in the bracket plus 3, x minus 36 in the bracket equal to 0. So you will have x minus 36, x plus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 36 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to 36. X plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3. So this is not possible. Negative speed train की नहीं हो सकती. So x is equal to 36. That is the speed of the train. Speed of the train is 36 km per hour. So that is the answer. Now 35b. Two pipes together can fill a tank in 15 by 8 hours. The pipe with larger diameter takes 2 hours less than the pipe with smaller diameter to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each pipe can fill the tank separately. Now, let a pipe with smaller diameter can fill the tank in x hours. It means in 1 hour, tank can be filled 1 by x. अगर एक पाइप एक टैंक को x hours में भरती है तो 1 घंटे में कितना टैंक भरा जाएगा 1 by x. Let a pipe with larger diameter can fill the tank in x minus 2 hours. जिसका larger diameter है वो 2 hours कम लेता है smaller tank से. इसका मतलब वो कितने hours में भरेगा x minus 2 hours में. It means in 1 hour tank can be filled is equal to 1 by x minus 2. एक टैंक भरा जाता है x minus 2 hours में तो 1 घंटे में कितना भरा जाएगा 1 upon x minus 2. Now it is given two pipes together can fill a tank in 15 by 8 hours. तो इसको भी 1 घंटे में निकालो कि 1 घंटे में कितना टैंक भरा जाएगा. इट मीन्स इन 1 आवर टैंक कैन बी फिल्ड 8 by 15. अगर 2 पाइप्स इकट्ठे मिलके एक टैंक को 15 by 8 आवर्स में भर सकते हैं तो 1 आवर में कितना भरेगा 8 by 15 टैंक. अब हमारे पास क्या आ गया. सो इक्वेशन बिकम्स 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 8 by 15. Now this is the equation. 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 8 by 15. Solve this equation for x. Now take the LCM. Then you will get this. Cross multiply it. You will get this. And ultimately you will have this quadratic equation. 8x square minus 46x plus 30 is equal to 0. Divide by 2. You will have 4x square minus 23x plus 15 is equal to 0. Factorize it. Split the middle term. You will have 4x square minus 20x minus 3x plus 15 is equal to 0. 4x common, x minus 5 minus 3, x minus 5 is equal to 0. X minus 5, 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. 4x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 by 4. This answer is not possible. So x is equal to 5. A pipe with a smaller diameter can fill the tank in 5 hours. A pipe with larger diameter can fill the tank in 5 minus 3, 2 hours. So that is the answer. Now this is question number 36, case study 1. A middle school decided to run the falling spinner game as a fundraiser on Christmas carnival. Now these are 2 spinners. There is written red, green and yellow on this spinner, red, blue and green on this spinner. Making purple. Spin each spinner once. Blue and red make purple. So if one spinner shows red and another blue, then you win. One such outcome is written as RB. Based on the above, answer the following questions. First question is list all possible outcome of the game. And its second question is find the probability of making purple. Now these 2 questions are written on this page and rest. And third question is written on the next page. Let me explain first. Now these 2 are 2 spinners. So if R comes on this spinner, then R may come on this spinner. So possibility is RR, RB, RG, then GR, GB and GG, then YR, YB and YG. So how many outcomes are there? 9. So our first question is list all possible outcomes. So we are going to list all these possible outcomes. Second question is find the probability of making purple. Purple कब बनेगा? जब R और B आएगा. तब पर्पल बनेगा. इसका मतलब there is one possibility of making purple. So probability is 1/9. So this is the answer of the second question. Now let me read the third question, which has two parts. There is or in between the two. Now the third question is, for each win a participant gets rupees 10, but if he or she loses, he or she has to pay rupees 5 to the school. If 99 participants played, calculate how much fund could the school have collected. Its or part is, if the same amount of rupees 5 has been decided for winning or losing the game, then how much fund has been collected by the school? Number of participants is equal to 99. So first answer I have written here. Let the elements of the first spinner is RGY and elements of the second spinner is RBG, and sample space will become RR, RB, RG, GR, GB, GG, YR, YB and YG. So these are the 9 elements. So this is the answer of the first question. Second question is probability of making purple. Probability of having red, blue, that is equal to 1/9. Probability of not making red and blue, probability of not making purple, that is equal to 1 minus 1/9, that is equal to 9 minus 1/9, that is 8/9. So total participants we know is 99. On the next page I am going to give the answers of these two questions. So here let me discuss it. For each win, participants gets rupees 10, but if he or she loses, he or she has to pay rupees 5 to the school. Now there are 99 participants and probability of winning is 1/9. So how many participants can win? 99/9, it means 11 participants can win the game. And how many can lose? It means 99 minus 11, that is 88 participants lose. And if a winner gets rupees 10, it means 11 students can get rupees 10. It means 110 they will get. And if he or she loses, he has to pay 5 to the school. It means 88 students has to pay 5 to the school. It means we will calculate this and we will subtract these two and we will get the result. Similarly for the OR part. So on the next page I am going to explain this. So number of participants who can win 1/9 into 99, that is 11. Number of participants who cannot win, that is 8/9 into 99, that is 88. If one wins, he gets rupees 10. If he loses, he has to pay rupees 5. We know that. Now money paid to the winners, 11 into 10, that is 110 rupees. Money paid by the losers to the school. So money paid by the losers to the school, that is 88 into 5, that is 440 rupees. Now money collected by the school, 440 minus 110, that is collected by the school, that is equal to 440 minus 110, that is 330 rupees is collected by the school. Now its third part is, on the next page I will do the OR part. Now its third part is, if one wins, he gets rupees 5. If he or she loses, he has to pay rupees 5. So money paid to the winners is 11 into 5, 55 rupees. And money paid by the losers to the school is 88 into 5, that is 440 rupees. Money collected by the school is 440 minus 55, that is 385 rupees. That is the answer of the third part. So that is the answer of this question. Now case study 2. Question number 37. A golf ball is spherical with about 300 to 500 dimples that help increase its velocity while in play. Golf balls are traditionally white but available in colors also. In the given figure, a golf ball has diameter 4.2 cm and the surface has 315 dimples. They are hemispherical of radius 2 mm. वो जो dimples हैं वो उनकी shape क्या है? Hemispherical. और उनका radius क्या है? 2 mm, 2 millimeter. Here they have shown the ball and this is a golf ball and यहाँ पर इसके ऊपर इस तरह के hemispherical 315 dimples बने हुए हैं बॉल के ऊपर. तो आपका क्वेश्चन क्या है? Now based on the above, Answer the following questions. Its first question is find the surface area of one such dimple, and its second question is find the volume of the material dug out to make one dimple. Now these are the two questions. It means find the surface area of one such dimple. ये हेमिस्फेरिकल है. इट मीन्स एक हेमिस्फेयर का जो एरिया होता है वो क्या होता है 2 पाई आर स्क्वायर. एक हेमिस्फेयर का वॉल्यूम होता है 2/3 पाई आर क्यूब. On the next page, I'll read the third one. Now the third question is find the total surface area exposed to the surroundings, or its third part is find the volume of the golf ball. जो मैंने आपको लास्ट पेज में समझाया था वो सारे फॉर्मूले मैंने यहाँ पर लिख दिए हैं. सो रेडियस ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर इज 2 mm. इसको मैंने सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया 2/10 सेंटीमीटर. Answer of the first question is surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Substitute the values. You will get 176/700, that is 0.25 centimeter square. Then its second part is volume of the material dug out to make one dimple, that is 2/3 pi r cube. Just substitute the values. You will get 0.01 centimeter cube. Now the third part is total surface area exposed to the surroundings. सो आपके पास 315 डिम्पल्स हैं. उनको एक एक डिम्पल के सरफेस एरिया से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे यू विल गेट द आंसर, दैट इज 79.2 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. एंड द लास्ट पार्ट इज यू आर टू फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गोल्फ बॉल. अब गोल्फ बॉल का जो रेडियस है दैट इज 2.1 सेंटीमीटर है. तो आप फॉर्मूला लिखोगे 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज, यू विल गेट 38.8 centimeter cube. That is the volume of the golf ball. This is question number 38. Case study 3. In a pool of an aquarium, a dolphin jumps out of the water traveling at 20 centimeter per second. Its height above water level after t seconds is given by h is equal to 20t minus 16t square. Based on the above, answer the following questions. Number 1, find zeros of the polynomial pt is equal to 20t minus 16t square. Second, which of the following type of graph represents pt? So there are 4 graphs. Now its first question is find the zeros of the polynomial pt is equal to 20t minus 16t square. How you find the zeros? You put pt is equal to 0. It means 20t minus 16t square is equal to 0. Take 4t common. You will have 5 minus 4t in the bracket. It means you have 2 zeros. One is 0, the other is 5/4. Now which of the following type of graph represents pt? So this is the right answer. See how? Here coefficient of t square which is negative. Here a is negative. So graph of this polynomial which is a parabola, it should be downward. So we see this one and this one. But here this graph intersect x-axis at one point. And here it intersect x-axis at 2 points, but one is 0 and one is not 5/4. Here it intersects the x-axis at 2 points. One is 0, where x is 0, and where x is 5/4. So this is the right answer. So A is the right answer. Now its third point is what would be the value of h at t is equal to 3/2? Interpret the result. The third one is how much distance has the dolphin covered before hitting the water level again? So there is or in between the two. You are supposed to do one of them, but I am going to solve both of them. Now here pt is 20t minus 16t square. First I have found the zeros of this polynomial. Now this is the answer of the first question. pt is 20t minus 16t square. It means 20t minus 16t square is equal to 0. 4t common, 5 minus 4t is equal to 0. It means either 4t is 0 or 5 minus 4t is 0. It means t is 0, t is 5/4. So these two are the zeros of this polynomial. Answer of the second question is, now its second part, I have already explained it, its answer is A. Now its third part, substitute t is equal to 3 by 2 in h 20t minus 16t square. So when you substitute the value, you will get minus 6. It means height here is in negative. So it shows its height below water level. Now its third part is speed is equal to 20 centimeter per second. Time is equal to 5 by 4 second. So distance is equal to speed into time. Multiply these two, you will get 25 centimeter. So distance is equal to 25 centimeter. It means distance covered by the dolphin. So that is the answer.